Okay, opening my box. Mud flaps for my Model Y. And looks like we got just about everything in here. So we have some pop-in plugs. Saw these in the how-to video. They're slip-in retainers. And we have two bags here. Feels pretty sturdy. Around here is the markings for front or rear. So this is for Model Y. I think that's front right, which would be here. That looks like it would pop right on in there easy. This is my brand new Model Y. Just a few weeks. Actually, less than 2 weeks. And this is the single motor version, which they just pulled off Tesla's website, so you sort of can't buy it right now. Very interesting thing. Let's see if I can install one of these. Now, what's really good when we get to installing my light here, so you can really see what I'm doing. I've got a couple bolts here and here to pop out, and then it clips on here, which see here, I have a very nice thing that'll hold it in place. So when you line up your bolts, you can pop them in, and then when you get your retaining clip, that slips in here. And on the box here, you have installation video link. So you just scan that with your phone, go to the link, and a very, very quickly paced video will show you how to install this. Let me get started. Okay, we're in the driver's side front. We have our parts, we have our tools, we have our lighting. Let's see how quick we can do this. Okay, approximately 2 minutes later, front is installed. We have a nice, good seam here, nice and tight. Very secure installation, I feel. That doesn't move at all. Cool. Okay, so this is the rear left mud flap. We got our parts, we have our tools, we have our lighting, we have our car. The first thing I'm going to do is go and remove that bolt, which is probably, yep, just hand tight again. Just pop that right out. I bet this is all in a how-to video. I just watched it once really quick and figured I knew everything. So here we go. So put that down. And now I'm going to pull that bolt out. It's an 2mm socket to the right direction. do is try to align this. It really helps during installation. Actually, remove all the parts first. So. There we go. That's going to make life a lot easier. Two-handed moment again. Hold on. All right, so we got this. Just doesn't want to pop in, but I got this guy in nice and tight, so I don't think that's necessary. There we go. Nice. Tight. Nice and easy. Get our screws here lined up. Now continuing here. Just pops in and super secure. Secure this side. Let's go underneath. We got this guy to screw right back in. Should get this straight. We're all done here. Nice and tight seam. Looks like it was, I mean, the little details here. Yeah, it looks like this was from the manufacturer, built right in. And I got this little guy here. Let's see if I have any better luck on this side. That's just not going to catch the body. It's not close enough in there. It does seem. Get this little bit of a gap to deal with here. I'll play with that and see if I can figure out how to get that in nice and tight. But that's definitely looks like a two-hand job, so which sounds terrible. Be right back. Okay, that was actually easier to do than I thought it was going to be. I just took the screwdriver and popped it in. Let's try that on the other side. Just take the screwdriver in. Let me get my light over here. So here's my end result. lines up very nicely with the body. You wouldn't know that it's aftermarket just looking at it. I think it just came from the dealer like that. It's really good. So my findings were that on the rear, getting the clip on there just doesn't seem to work at all. It's just too wide a space in here to get a good bite. I suppose I could widen the clip and put it in there, but this thing is so secure that I don't think it needs it. I was able to get this upper tab to click in with the bolt on this side. But on this side, I just could never untangle that thing to clip in here while being bolted here. If I remove the bolt and clip it in, then I can't line up the hole. So I just got the teeniest space right here, which is completely unnoticeable from the outside. And I don't think it matters a bit in here. But very secure, doesn't wiggle at all, not going anywhere. Looks good. Not bad purchase.